Hello, my name is Sherrod Thomas, and I'm here today to show you the medical record database system. Now, of course, we all know that the doctors and patients have to know their information, so this includes the personal information, medical history, and all of that stuff. So, of course, with everything else, they also have the business rule, patient medical record, it's on a first visit to the doctor, and everything else. But the main important part is the coding that has to go on. As you can see in the diagram, there's like a lot of things that they need to follow in order for it to be correct, especially when it comes to every single person. And not only that, with code, they also have to define everyone else. So, for example, if you were it's for example like with the doctor, it has the name, the social security number, age, and these just apply for the doctor. And as you can see, it applies for everyone else as well with their own personal names and attributes. And also, not only that, they have relational models as well. So as you can see here, like with city, you have the zip code and then a city name, or a gender ID, gender type, patient. So it really does go in a formatical way, as you can see here. And it's still here with the relations, the doctors, the cities and genders, and the records. So basically what this is just information, basic information on the person. And not only that, with the definitions, they have the key ones, which are the primary, and the primary is unique. So with the doctors, it's a social security number, and as you know, social security numbers are supposed to be unique to a certain person, so it's always going to be like that for everyone. Or with a city, cities have a zip code, which is unique for that city. And as you can see down here, there are foreign key definitions. So like with the doctor and the gender, the visits, and the patient bills. So as you can see, they still have to follow a certain guideline in order to perfectly describe the patient, the doctor, or anything, or any type of information. Because if they don't, that's really bad. Okay, so they still go to domain key normal form definitions. So like I said, with like the doctor and the gender, as you can see, they have the foreign keys with the gender and the social security number, and also that with the domain, it's the gender ID, and it shows the variable character. And as you can see, it does with the rest. And you have to remember, it's very important for it to do that. Like I said, just like with the other information, it helps define it so that way it can separate from everything else. And not only that, this is what it would look like when you had to populate the tables. So like this is the doctor's table. So this will help you identify a doctor, like the doctor's social security number. Like if you want to find Nellie Obot, like Nellie Obot's age, where the person lives at, the phone. And this goes on for patient, gender, city. So this helps identify the person as well. Alright, that's all the time I have for now. Thank you, and hopefully I can do better.